Oh, hello guys, Ollie here today, bringing you a tutorial on how to install custom maps for Minecraft. So today, I'm doing my first tutorial, and hopefully my best. So, to use Minecraft custom map, I just found this random Christian one. Quite a nice house. So, let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is WinRAR. WinRAR, I'll link in the description. As you can see, it's right there. So you've got that out. Then once you download the WinRAR, you're going to go to this, type in run. You'll come up with this, and then if it's not already there, type in app data there. App data percentage. Okay. It'll come up with roaming, but on mine it won't because I've already done it before. I click rubber pit roam, then go to my.minecraft saves. And you'll see there's two there, one I've downloaded already. So slide Christian into that there. Ooh, it's done. And then open up Minecraft. Run. It'll come up with a little message like that. And then just go, don't pause update, just end the game. And go single player. There you go, Christian. And it'll take a while to convert the anvil. It's such a big world. It will take ages, so I'm just gonna pause you guys for a second. Pause. Hi guys, I'm back again. It's downloaded, and you can see it's working. Back to game. It's massive. Let's piss it down. So it's in his chest. Oh shit! Didn't mean to do that. It's on creative. So thanks for watching, guys. And if you need any help, just message me or comment in the box. If this helped you, leave a like and favourite this video. Also, please subscribe, because I need lots more subscribers. I've been really inactive. So thanks for watching, guys. I've been bringing out some more tutorials in the next couple of days. Thanks for watching. I'm out.